In order for embedded checkout to work, there's an HTTPS setting that must be turned on within the BigCommerce admin area. So we've added a link directly to that area so that you don't have to go looking for it. And that link is available whether you're using embedded checkout or not. If Sitekit by Google is enabled, then the accordion menu items don't work in the BigCommerce settings. We fixed that, so now you can use Google Sitekit and have the BigCommerce settings area work. Lastly, there was an issue where, with complex products, if someone added something to the cart, it would direct them automatically to the cart page, rather than just to the Ajax update. And now we fixed it so that it does just the Ajax update as it should.